Everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to adjust clip duration in Animoto. Animoto is an easy to use online video maker that lets you create professional videos with photos, video clips, text and music. Controlling your clip duration is the key to making your video flow perfectly. So first you need to have an Animoto app. If you do not have, so you can go to the Play Store or the App Store and you can download it from there as well. And after that you can open to the Animoto app and make sure you are logged into Animoto and you can open the project you want to edit. So if you're starting a new video, you can tap on the create. So I'm going to select one of the template over here. So once you reach into this interface, if you want to create a new one, you can go to the camera roll recents or stocks from the Animoto as well, as I'm going to select the recent that I've already made it. And once you choose that, you can tap on the done in the top right and you need to adjust the clip. Once selected, Animoto will show the option for that clip. You need to simply select over there. So here to change the duration, you need to tap on the top icon that is either plus or minus. Animoto automatically adjusts the transitions and timings. So in order to do that, if you want to increase the timing, you can simply tap on the plus icon. But if you want to decrease the timing, you can simply tap on the minus icon here to make it longer or shorter. And Animoto also adjusts the transitions and timing so everything stays smooth. For images, you can also manually set the duration in seconds for precise control. And after adjusting the clip duration, make sure your music and transition still matches the new timing. Animoto automatically sync clips with the soundtrack, but sometimes you may need to trim or extend all the clips to keep everything balanced. And once your clip's duration is adjusted, you can tap preview in the top right corner to see how the video flows. Make sure all clip nature and pacing matches your style, and Animoto saves your edit automatically so your work is always safe. And that's it. Adjusting clip duration in Animoto is simple but makes a big difference in your video pacing and overall quality. And if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe